Hey there, it's Paula G at the Paula G Company, and I'm here to tell you something very important, and that is that spring is coming. Sooner or later it's coming, but it'll be here, hopefully sooner rather than later. And every spring, what typically happens? You do some spring cleaning in your house. Well, I'm here to tell you that your business loves you too, and a little bit of spring cleaning for your business could do a world of wonders for your sanity, for your profits, meaning more money in your pocket, and for your attracting of the right people and leads to your business. So I am going to be coming to you in video and in written format for over the next few weeks, and I'm going to be talking about the different ways that spring cleaning, that concept, can be applied to your business. Now, if the idea of spring cleaning gives you a little bit of PTSD because of either childhood traumas or the fact that you just are so frightened by the dust bunnies behind the couch, I'm here to tell you, don't be fearful. Call it something else if it makes you feel better, but the principles are the same. And so then after I go through this series of tips and tricks for you, I'm going to be designing something really special, and I've been working with a mastermind group, really honing in on what's going to be the best thing that people are yearning for as it relates to business and spring cleaning. So if you would like to be on the early notification list, that first to know, be in the know, hop right on it group, to both receive all the free tips and tricks and videos and such that are coming over the next few weeks so that you don't miss any, as well as be on the early notification list for the spring cleaning for your business little offer that I'm creating, then I invite you to go over to thepaulagcompany.com/spring cleaning, and that's one word. And I'll link that with this video where it appears online. And I would love to have you be in the early notification, not only to tell you more about the super special thing that I'm creating, but more importantly, so that you can get a jump on the things that are going to lift the weight off your shoulders, like cleaning out the crap in your house does each spring. Like when you throw the windows open and you're like, there's fresh air in here, the crap is clean, the stuff I don't need is gone. That kind of euphoria is what I'm hoping for you to experience here. So stay tuned, head over to thepaulagcompany.com/spring cleaning and be the first to know. And meanwhile, create a great day.